ECU. This cable. Print cable. OBD motor. Okay, let me show you how to programming key transporter. First, read VN. Okay, key programming. The key. Let me show you. Date. The field is saved. And then write transport send to this. First, read the transport ID. Okay. And then write transport data. The coding cell fails to write. Write transport services. ECU. Also, programming with Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, Vespa, Yaku.